so fast and so precise they can hover in mid-air. Perfect for extracting a meal of high-calorie nectar. As our cameras have improved, we're finally getting to see what it means to fly. Ingenious body design, split-second timing, and a little luck, it all adds up to a moment of impact. But perhaps the most fantastic feats by jungle athletes are achieved by some of its smallest. They're performed daily, but often out of view on the forest floor. In the jungles of Venezuela, the noise of the canopy above is but a distant racket. The forest floor is quiet. Yet despite the apparent calm, it's a torrent of activity. The largest group of animals living in the jungle is busy. Insects, the variety of their forms is staggering. Their capabilities, astonishing. These leafcutter ants are showing off their super strength, transporting plant material 10 times their own weight, equivalent to humans carrying around Volkswagens. It's always rush hour here, a relentless headlong push to bring plant fragments to their underground fungus gardens. All this heavy lifting, carried out by a totally female workhorse, comes down to a pair of powerful muscles in the jaw. And just below the leafcutters is another ant with superpowers. The carnivorous trapjaw ant. They make their homes in leaf litter and logs. Unlike the leafcutters, these ants can't dig. Their oversized jaws make that impossible. But these massive mandibles open up other possibilities. For the longest time, the true force of their bite went unnoticed, until scientists realized that within this tiny ant's jaw is a bite force stronger than a shark's, accelerating at 2,300 times faster than the blink of an eye. Missed it? Here it is again, filmed at 1,000 frames a second. A creature this small isn't supposed to generate this kind of force, 300 times its own body weight. But it's an example of nature designing a crossbow to amplify muscle power. Huge contracting muscles in the head are held with a biomechanical latch, spring-loaded and ready for a trigger, usually when sensory hairs on the insides of the jaw are stimulated. The force of the jaw strike is so strong, if it strikes against the hard ground, the recoil can catapult the ant into the air. In human terms, it would be a leap of 130 feet. Scientists aren't certain how the jaws of these ants got pushed to such extremes. But unlike many other ants that work in groups, trapjaws are solitary hunters. Since they're on their own, perhaps each attack has to count decisively. Whether it's defending the colony or transporting food. For many jungle ants, the business end of this endeavor is the jaws. From an ant jaw measured in millimeters, we go to a set of choppers that's one of the largest. Among